Hey guys, today we're on the bench with this Edge Jammer cold air intake system for the 11 to 16 6.7 Power Stroke Super Duties. We're gonna do an unboxing and a little breakdown of what you get in the kit, so let's just jump right into it. Now, first things first, obviously pop open the top of the box here, and we've got puffy air bubble protection in there, keep everything nice and stable. And we've got some plastic tubing there with a cutout for our airflow sensor. The actual top cover with that nice Edge logo across the front. And then we have got this actual air box itself. And it looks like they packed the filter in there, so we'll pull that out in a second. We also have some additional hardware and a pamphlet. And it looks like inside this pamphlet, there's just some basic Edge information, product guide, some stickers, things like that. Inside we have the filter itself. There we go. So as you can see, there's a couple different pieces here involved with this kit. We'll get everything lined up to where you can check it out. And then we have this reusable oiled filter. Now, I do have this dry replacement filter with me too, because there are two different options you can run depending what you want in your vehicle, but the kit will not come with both. You'll have to select which one you want to start. So now that we've got some of that detail stuff and the unboxing out of the way, let's talk about what this actually does for your truck. Obviously, with a better filter like these, you're gonna be able to get some more airflow and some better filtration. So not only are you protecting your motor a little bit better, but you're gonna increase horsepower and some throttle response while you're at it. Part of Edge's design is that they have this closed box system with the lid and new snorkel, and that's basically gonna help channel some cool air a little bit more efficiently instead of just having this open element filter hanging out in the engine bay where it's gonna be sucking in a bunch of hot air. So that's just more of an efficiency thing in the design, but it makes it a little bit better performer than just the standard run-of-the-mill aftermarket intake or your stock system. One other thing to note is you're probably familiar with Edge as a tuning company and have seen their products like their other tuners and monitors that they offer, and this system is compatible with all of that equipment. So if you do have an Edge tuner on your vehicle, this is something that can run with it and you don't have to worry about having any issues. Now, you are not required to have a tuner to install this, and you can still run the system regardless, but if you do have an Edge tuner, it's gonna capitalize on the system and make a little bit better power. So if you guys like what you see here and you wanna pick up one of these Edge systems for your Super Duty, you can head down the description below, click that link, it'll shoot you over to our website, and we will see you guys next time.